Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you would like to solve along with me. Looks like today we're doing number 289. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here. So 1, 2, 2 covering both of these boxes. And the 4 here means this is our 1, 4, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. Got 7 here, so 3, 8. 8 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 8. So that means the only place our 7 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. Got a 5 covering both of these, so 3, 6, 3, 6. That means our 5 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these, 2 here, so 3, 4, 4 here, so 2, 3, 2 here, 4 here, so 3, 8. So it looks like the only place our 4 can be is here. And the only place our 2 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. And the only place our 9 can be is here. And if we look, this is the only place our 8 can be, so that makes this our 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. Got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 7, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 3, 5, and 6 here, so that makes us our 8. Got a 5 here, so 3, 6. No help here. 3, 6. Sorry, 3, 5, 6. 3 and 5 here. So that makes this our 6, which makes this our 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this column now, we're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row, we're missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9. 8 and 9 here. So this is our 4. That makes this our 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 9, 9 here, so 2, 3. But if we look, the only place in the column the 3 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 4, 7. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 2 and our 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.